This set of accessories is compatible with multiple models of vacuum cleaners. It includes a ruler brush and a set of filters. The brush roll utilized high-quality bristles, with the purple and yellow rigid bristles tailored for carpet cleaning, while the white bristles are comparatively softer and suitable for hardwood floors. During operation, it effectively eliminates dust, grime, and pet hair from the carpets. After use, it can be conveniently cleaned with a brush. The pre-motor filter, which is composed of distinct materials, a foam filter and a fiber filter, is installed on the cover of the dustbin. Once used, a layer of dust may adhere to the filters, which can be cleaned using soap and water. However, before reinstalling them into the machine, ensure they are thoroughly dried. Regular maintenance will enable your machine to retain its optimal suction power. For further details, please do not hesitate to contact us.